Do you know your rights? Students, it's time to get to know what your legal civil rights are when you are on campus at a public high school like Edison. So let's get busy. That's right, you need to know your rights, and we're going to examine some landmark Supreme Court cases with respect to the First Amendment and the Fourth Amendment this week. Each of your breakout rooms will be working on a team video project that will be completed this period. So we'll be short and sweet on the instructions, and here they are. Your group presentation assignments will be determined based on the table you'll see in a moment for that particular court case. Each team will create a video today in class using either Loom or Screencast-O-Matic. You all need to have a speaking role in the video. Your video will consist of the following. You need to have a case overview. You need to tell us what the facts are, the decision of the case, and what the significance of the case was in U.S. history, and how does it affect your rights as a student. You also need to make sure that you create a review question toward the end of your video. The main kicker here, though, is that you need to recreate the circumstances surrounding the case, meaning that you have to create some kind of a short play, or call it a skit. And if you guys work together, when you're in a Zoom meeting, one person can do the screencast and record the screen while you guys are taking turns. And so different tools that you can use to manage this are going to be a shared drive, a Google Doc for your script, and obviously a slideshow to have any visuals if you want a background for what you're talking about. In other words, you'll need to use your creativity to come up with a game plan and make it work for you in a short period of time so that you guys can finish a 3 to 5 minute screencast presentation within the constraints of this block period. If you need to meet separately after school to finish things, don't forget to write down who's in your group, and you guys can either Google Meet or Zoom after class. If you want to meet in person, that is entirely up to you, if that makes sense for your particular video. But this is just meant to be a short video screencast exercise, and I'd encourage you to just get it done during the block period today. Once you finish your final video, make sure to upload that to YouTube, and make sure that it's either shared publicly or unlisted so that we can access your video when I post those for you to view on Thursday this week, or Friday, whatever the case may be for your class. Then make sure to take that video link and submit it to the assignment called Know Your Rights Team Video Project. Now, based on your breakout room number, you will need to join your team in Canvas as well under the People tab. You'll click on the Groups tab at the top of People and click on the Join link for that particular breakout room. Your breakout rooms are listed here. There are up to 9 rooms. I think there's only one class that's going to have 8 rooms. The rest is up to you. You have links to the resource right on this page, as well as on the Know Your Rights activities screen, like right here. So again, this is in Canvas under Know Your Rights Team Video Project, and down here under activities, you're going to see the same table. As you scroll down, there is a review of the First Amendment, as well as questions to consider. Do you have the same rights at school or not? And so review those as well, just to kind of make sure you're covering your bases. And then a copy of the hyper slide that you'll see in class on the second day of the project. All students will be filling out this facts, decision, and significance table for each case, as you can see here. So you need to make sure that you cover these 3 items in your film. And as you can see, each case will have its own separate slide for your benefit. And when we're all done with this, you guys will have some quizzes based on the content that you learn at the end of class on the second day of the project, which is going to be Thursday or Friday based on your period. That pretty much sums it up. So if you have any other questions, let me know. Contact me in the inbox message, or if we're on live, go ahead and ask away. Thanks.